Hey everyone, welcome back to Get Fit with R, your go-to channel for all things health and fitness. Today, I'm super excited to share with you what I believe is the healthiest diet plan ever for weight loss. This plan is not only effective, but also sustainable, ensuring you get all the essential nutrients while shedding those extra pounds. Let's dive into the details of this amazing diet plan. Breakfast, a nutrient-packed start. Starting your day with a balanced breakfast is crucial. Opt for a meal that combines protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. For instance, you can have a smoothie bowl with spinach, a banana, mixed berries, a scoop of protein powder, and a tablespoon of chia seeds. This breakfast is rich in antioxidants, fiber, and protein, giving you sustained energy throughout the morning. Mid-morning snack, healthy and satisfying. Keep your metabolism active with a mid-morning snack. Choose a handful of nuts like almonds or walnuts, paired with a piece of fruit such as an apple or a pear. Nuts provide healthy fats and protein, while fruits offer vitamins and fiber, keeping you full and satisfied until lunch. Lunch, balanced and nourishing. For lunch, focus on a balanced plate. A great option is a quinoa and vegetable salad. Combine cooked quinoa with mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, and some grilled chicken or tofu. Top it with a light vinaigrette made from olive oil and lemon juice. This meal is packed with protein, fiber, and a variety of vitamins and minerals, ensuring you stay full and energized. Afternoon snack, energizing and light. As you move through the day, a light afternoon snack can help maintain your energy levels. Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey and a sprinkle of flax seeds is a perfect choice. Greek yogurt provides protein and probiotics, which are great for gut health, while flax seeds offer omega-3 fatty acids and fiber. Dinner, lean and green. Dinner should be lighter, but still nutritious. Opt for a lean protein source like baked salmon or grilled chicken breast, paired with a generous serving of steamed or roasted vegetables. Include a side of whole grains like brown rice or quinoa. This combination ensures you get enough protein and fiber, aiding digestion and keeping you satiated through the night. Evening snack, a healthy treat. If you feel peckish later in the evening, choose a small, healthy snack. A piece of dark chocolate or a small bowl of mixed berries can satisfy your sweet tooth without adding too many extra calories. Dark chocolate is rich in antioxidants, and berries are loaded with vitamins and fiber. Hydration, key to success. Remember, staying hydrated is essential for weight loss and overall health. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. You can also include herbal teas or infused water with lemon, cucumber, or mint to keep things interesting. Proper hydration helps indigestion, keeps your skin glowing, and aids in the elimination of toxins. And there you have it, the healthiest diet plan ever for weight loss. This plan is designed to be balanced, nutritious, and satisfying, ensuring you don't feel deprived while losing weight. Consistency is key, so stick with it and you'll see amazing results. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Get Fit with R for more health and fitness tips. Let's get fit together.